Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we focus on metals, mining, and more. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson, where today we will discuss Riverside Resources, where knowledge is golden, trading on the TSXV, symbol RRI, and on the OTC, symbol RVSDF. Joining us today is the President, CEO, and Director of Riverside Resources, Dr. John Mark Staude. Before we begin, allow me to convey to our listeners that Riverside Resources is a sponsor of Proven and Probable, and that we are proud shareholders of Riverside Resources for the virtues we will convey in today's message. Dr. Staude, welcome to the show.
Great to be on the show, Maurice.
You have some very exciting developments for current and prospective shareholders on the Glor Project. But before we begin, I want to point out to our listeners that Riverside Resources was once again hand-selected to be an attendee at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium. This truly speaks volumes about the merit and confidence that Rick Rule and his staff of geologists and financial analysts have in Riverside Resources. John Mark, for someone new listening, what is it that Rick Rule sees in Riverside Resources?
Well, I think Riverside has proven to be very prudent with capital. I think our biggest responsibility to shareholders is to make a great return. First thing is to not go through that capital, and the second is, when you do spend it, to spend it on the big upside. Riverside has continually tried to make the big discovery and limit the downside. I think that's the prospect generator model and what Rick Rule and other shareholders have supported in Riverside.
Let's get everyone up to speed on the Glor Project with joint venture partner Centarra Gold, which is located in Sonora, Mexico. What can you share with us?
Riverside, I'm so excited. This results with Centarra Gold are on point. They're really good. High-grade gold at the Alamo target. This type of rock is the type of rock you want to have. This is the type of rock that's in the open pit, heap leach, at nearby gold mines like the Chinate mine, where they've been able to produce nearly 1 million ounces and have another 1 million ounces to go. Other nearby projects of Herradura, other big operations, Riverside's delighted to have those type of results, high grades, mineralization with Centarra Gold at the Alamo project. Maurice, here's a map of the Glor Project, and it shows the highlight of the Alamo target. These high grade samples that we're getting from outcrop, over 4 grams, 14 grams, 23 grams, showing nice mineralization, is an exciting area for us. The inset here shows the Alamo target and the former drilling at the Pitaya target. This being 3 kilometers away is a 100% new target, 100% going forward. We're very excited by this project.
John Mark, before we close here, does Centarra Gold have an interest in both of these?
Yes, it does. In fact, Centarra has an interest in the entire area here of the Glor Project. So these are different targets that we have on the Glor Project. That's the value of having a 36 square kilometer property package. Gives us multiple different targets, many shots at that big discovery for the Riverside shareholders. Here we actually have a photo looking west, right through the heart of the Alamo target. In white, you see these thrust faults. These thrust structures are just like some of the other deposits that you find in the megashear of Mexico. So having this type of target is exciting. And we look here at some of the close-ups. The close-up here of shearing, of mineralization, of veining. These type of outcrops are exciting. Hand-drawn cross-sections with planned drill holes in black, again showing us where we see the potential for big open pit gold discovery at the Alamo target. We're very excited by this project.
John Mark, what can you tell us about the gold mineralization there?
It's exciting. You know, this news release is so much for us really great. Here are pictures of the outcrop material. Here's some of these stained iron oxides, oxidation right at the surface of mineralization. That's the type of heap leach ore. You know, right next to us is the Chinate mine. Here they're immediately to the east, operating a large open pit gold operation, and us having gold mineralization right at the surface at the Alamo target. We're so excited by the Glor Project. Riverside on track with Centarra Gold. This news release is really significant in that we're really excited to have drill potential, drill mineralization, and right next to an operation like this. You can't get better real estate.
John Mark, we've covered the good. What keeps you up at night that we don't know about?
For Riverside, this is a joint venture project with Centarra Gold. So one of the key concerns is if Centarra Gold doesn't keep moving ahead. The excitement is that we own the project. We have an option from Argonaut. We can move it ahead ourselves. But what keeps us up at night is the uncertainty sometimes for what's going to happen in 2018 and 2019 with our partner Centarra Gold fully funding this project.
And finally, what did I forget to ask?
I think the key thing to remember is Riverside's a prospect generator, and we have multiple different projects moving ahead. This news release is exciting for the Glor Project. Earlier, we had news from Cecilia. Next, we'll have news from Jesus Maria. Riverside has multiple different projects moving ahead, and I think that's what gives us the catalyst. With $5 million cash, with no debt, 44 million shares out, and multiple projects moving ahead, Riverside's in a great position, and I think that we're very excited for the next quarter for multiple catalysts for discovery.
John Mark, for someone listening that wants to get more information on Riverside Resources, please share the contact details.
Please give us a call at 778-327-6671. Or please just go to our website, www.rivres.com.
And last but not least, please visit our website, www.provenandprobable.com, where we interview the most respected names in the natural resource space. You may reach us at contact@provenandprobable.com. Dr. John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.